Imagine this. In summer, the sun never sets, and in winter, the days are almost completely dark. One of the world's oldest trees lives here, and this country's standard of living amazes everyone. Are you ready to uncover the secrets of Sweden? In northern Sweden, the sun hardly sets during the summer. Imagine, even at midnight, the sky is still bright. When winter comes, the days become very short and dark. Yet, people don't stop their lives. Both in the cities and in nature, life continues at full speed even in winter. Sweden's northern winter nights transform into a magical canvas. The aurora borealis, or northern lights, spread their waves of color across the sky, creating an unforgettable spectacle. In Sweden, on Fulufjäll mountain, a living piece of history still stands. The tree called Old Tjikko is 9,550 years old. What's fascinating is that even though its trunk changes over time, its roots have kept it alive for centuries. Just imagine, this tree took root long before the Ice Age. Sweden's culture has deep roots stretching back to the Vikings. Ancient legends, historic ships, and castles can still be seen across the country. Here, you can experience history and modern life side by side. Sweden is home to IKEA, the global furniture giant known for its simple and functional designs. For many, IKEA has become the very symbol of Swedish design. Sweden's capital, Stockholm, has a perfect mix of modern and historic charm. Its canals, bridges, and colorful buildings captivate visitors, while culture, art, and technology blend seamlessly throughout the city. Living standards in Sweden are very high. Education, healthcare, and security services are provided almost equally to everyone, allowing people to enjoy a life that is both comfortable and safe. Sweden is a global leader in environmental awareness and renewable energy. Recycling and sustainable practices are part of everyday life, and Swedes have embraced a lifestyle in harmony with nature. In Sweden, nature is open for everyone to explore. Thanks to a right called allemansrätten, you can hike in the forests, set up camp, or go fishing. Of course, it's your responsibility to protect and keep nature clean. Half of Sweden is covered by forests, and the country has over 100,000 lakes. Nature provides the perfect setting for both peaceful escapes and exciting adventures. Every step here brings a new discovery. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe for more videos.